different types of art forms like body art and ceramic art. Plants help purify the air, reduce pollution, and keep our environment clean. These planters are made beautifully by the students of class. These are welcome to the annual art and craft exhibition display based on every 14 types of action. Through these exhibits, our students want to show that we should plant more and more trees in our house, protect this environment, and fight climate change. These have been creatively made by the students of class 4 using different types of art forms such as body art and ceramic art. Plants help purify the air, reduce pollution, and keep our environment clean. Please have a These are the table arts created by class 7 students that are made for SDG 7, affordable and electricity. These are made by the students and the stand is of all of that poetry, which we have told to the students. We have made this very creatively, and I hope you will also make it in the as possible. And now we can do this. These are the pet sheds and bottle plants made by class 6 students. Here we can see the pet sheds. These are the varieties of plants. Pet bottles, lamps are made that we can use as table decoration. These are made by class 5 students. And these are also pet bottle caps that are used as planters, which we can use as decorative materials as possible at our home. And we can also see the craft material done by 5th A student. It was very beautifully done. We have seen it doing that. So these are all the materials that we made by recycling the pet bottles as well as caps. Thank you, sir. Thanks. Thank you, sir. It's a multi-purpose and how can we forget our unique community. Also, we can see the beautiful pictures made by a student for the viewers today. And hence the artist pages of the customer. We look forward here to see the elephants that are converted into aesthetic and aesthetic wall hangings. And also we are having the welcome faces held by a beautiful rabbits as a door hanger. Over to you, Ashton. Good morning, ma'am. Welcome to the second craft display based on SDG 15, Life in the Air. Here you can see the bird feeders as well as the nest of the birds. Our students have created useful craft items using recycled materials decorated with colors and creative elements to enhance their appearance. Each product is inspired by birds. You can also see the multi-purpose headstands that affects the intelligence of owls, as well as the bird feeders, nests, wall hangings, which inspire and encourage us to keep a bowl of water and trains for the voiceless, as well as in our terrace, balcony and garden. Thank you. Let me present the Here we have a variety of best out of waste collection. The students have utilized the thrown away corrugated cardboard to make these beautiful wall hangings depicting timeless value. Here we have a clay craft embroidered in beautiful table decors to make study tables look more peaceful. The wall hangings are marine life made by the students of grade 2 again reinforce the message of protecting life below the water. Thank you. Over to Bakar.
For the caps and cardboard boxes, the entertainment zone in classroom be creative and innovative in a place to get easy learning, responsible conduction and production. Also, take a look at the shop has stories in this last word. Next, check out the extension of the ceiling and the distance I hope that you are inspired to use the content in the best productive manner. Thank
अब जैसे कि किसी रोड में 10 सेकंड बचे ग्रीन सिग्नल होने के लिए, लेकिन वो लोग अननेसेसरी हॉर्म प्रोड्यूस करते हैं, तो एज अ पेनल्टी को 10 सेकंड और ऐड कर देंगे, अगर ज़्यादा
See, sir, this is glowing, and sir, this is rechargeable also from the cell. Thank you.
Sir, yes, yes.
This model works on
Register. इनको पता है
and pleasant morning to one and all. We have gathered here to celebrate the spirit of creativity, innovation and scientific exploration through our art, craft and science exhibition Kriti 2025-26. This exhibition is a wonderful platform where our students express their ideas, skills and imagination beyond textbooks, transforming learning into a joyful and meaningful experience. It showcases myriad forms of art and science through creative displays such as clay models, music, dance, song, and other innovative expressions reflecting the curiosity, talent, and enthusiasm of our young learners. This exhibition has also been thoughtfully designed around the broad framework of the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, encouraging our students to become responsible global citizens. Through their creative displays, our students have touched upon SDG 7 by promoting clean and renewable energy, SDG 12 by highlighting responsible use of resources, and SDG 13 by spreading awareness about climate action. They have also reflected on SDGs 14 and 15, emphasizing the need to protect life below water and life on land. By integrating these global goals with art, science, and craft, our students will showcase their commitment towards a more sustainable future. We are deeply honored by the presence of the esteemed members of the Management Committee, the Sabha, dear parents, and the most upcoming and enterprising students. We are deeply grateful to the revered members of the Management Committee for your guidance, support, and encouragement which continue to shape the holistic growth of our institution. Your collective presence today not only adds grace to this event, but also inspires our young learners to dream big and think innovatively. To mark an auspicious beginning, we seek the blessings of Lord Ganesha, the remover of obstacles and harbinger of wisdom and prosperity. Let us immerse ourselves in divine grace as our talented students present a soulful Ganesh Vandana to a dance performance. So, please welcome Bani Dhiman, Vaishvi Singh, Avni Nagar, Bani Arora of Class 2A, Sanaya PK of Class 3C, Veditya Raghav of 3A, Arya Gupta of 4B, and Akshara Singh and Krisha Mishra of 4C.
सुमुखश्चैकदन्तश्च कपिलो गजकर्णकः लम्बोदरश्च विकटो विघ्ननाशो विनायकः धूम्रकेतु गणाध्यक्षो भालचन्द्र गजाननः वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा गाये गणपति जगवन्दन गाये गणपति जगवन्दन शङ्कर सुवन भवानी नन्दन शङ्कर सुवन भवानी नन्दन गाये गणपति
What a divine performance. I now invite Samriddhi from class 4D to enchant us with her soulful solo rendition of Lata Chunari Meda. With heartfelt emotion and melodic grace, she presents this timeless composition. Please welcome her with warm round of applause.
बोले heartfelt and melodious performance. Well done, Samriddhi. Let us
now immersed in pure classical melody, we present an elegant instrumental rendition of Rag Bhopali, performed with masterful precision and soulful grace by our talented musicians on tabla and keyboard. On tabla we have Angardeep Singh of class 5E, Ratandeep Singh of 5A, Arvind Shukla of class 6C, Arab Hasim of 7C, Harmeet Singh of class 6A. On keyboard we have Rudra Nigam of class 6A, Arjun Avasthi of class 7C, Shreyansh Trivedi of 7A, Ansh Dwivedi of 7D, Ajvika Dixit of 4C, Parth Mishra of 4D, Vidhi Tripathi and Siddhi Tripathi of 5B, and Shaurya Gupta of class 5C. What a serene and masterful performance. Now, presenting before you are dress designers of SSDC who showcase beautiful dresses made out of waste material, spreading the message of reuse and recycle. Your innovative designs beautifully convey the message that waste, when reused wisely, can become a masterpiece. So please welcome with a huge round of cheer. From Group 1 we have Sanji Gupta and Arush Kushwaha of class 8C. From Group 2 we have greetings to all. Presenting before you Recycled Cube, showcasing a dress designed from bio and non-biodegradable materials like newspapers, egg cartons, wrappers or salty snacks. We have reused all these waste materials instead of throwing them away. Recycling is important because it reduces waste, saves natural resources, and saves and clean our environment. through the title Twinkle Twinkle we want to spread. We want to spread a message of a greener and better future. From Group 2, we have Vaishnavi Yadav and Anashya Jaiswal of Class 8C. Brave and sustainable greetings to all. Today, we stand before you to showcase a unique fusion of creativity and sustainability. A dress crafted from recycled disposable waste. As we navigate the challenge of environmental degradation, this project embodies a small yet significant step towards promoting eco-friendly practices and encouraging responsible consumption. This list is a testament to the potential of transforming waste into something useful, highlighting the importance of reducing, reusing, and recycling. Let's harness innovation and creativity to drive positive change and strive for a greener tomorrow. We have highlighted the SDG 2, Zero Hunger, and have entitled our dress as Mother of Service to spread the message of serving food to one and all on this earth. Thank you. From Group 3, we have Shambhavi, Tanvi Gupta, and Siddhi Singh of Class 8B. Please welcome them with a round of cheer. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to a fashion walk born in China. Today, Mother Earth walks on the runway, draped not in luxury fabric, but in newspaper. Symbols of yesterday's story and tomorrow's responsibility. What was once discarded and what was once read and is discarded now is reborn as art, proving everyone that waste is not the end, but a beginning. Each creation you see celebrates reuse, creativity, and mindful living. By transforming paper into fashion, we reduce waste, save trees, and inspire sustainable choices. Thank you. Now please welcome from Group 4, we have Vaishnavi Nishad and Disha Kapoor from Class 8B. Good morning everyone. Presenting before you a dress made from waste. Behold the majestic Mother of Down, a unique creation born from nature's own recycling treasure. This white masterpiece is crafted from waste materialized, wrapping paper of bouquet, leftover pieces of paper sheets, some unused old fabric is now in costume. The mother of these plants are the demon of grace, wisdom, and divine destiny, and its presence is magnificently mirrored in the gown she wears. Each fold and symbol is a symbol of purity, strength, and eternity. Thousands separate sustainability, creativity, the spirit of peace, and eco-conscious elements. Please clap loudly. What a brilliant display of creativity. We now present the Natarajan Group Dance, a synchronized spectacle of grace, rhythm, and youthful energy by our talented students of classes 2 to 5. So, let's welcome Vaishnavi Singh of class 2A, Veditya Rawat of class 3A, Chitranda Maheshwar of class 3B, Vanya Dixit and Hazel Khatri of class 5C, Kashvi Raj of 4B, and Trisha Mishra and Akshara Singh of class 4C.
Nataraja, Nataraja.
Sa 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 pa ni pa ni sa.
नमामि नमामि ईश आराध्य पूजितम् नमामि नमामि शिव चरणों में वंदनम् रुद्रगणनाथ शंकरं पार्वतीनाथ तु शिवम् संगीत साहित्य आनंद अद्भुत है तनधिर नधिर न तनधे रागं तालं नाट्य नटराजं सुन्दरम् नादं वेद काव्यं नटराजं सुन्दरम् रागं तालं नाट्य नटराजं सुन्दरम् नादं वेद काव्यं नटराजं सुन्दरम् मनोहरं शृङ्गारं सप्तसुरोगाकारम् आजन्म प्रभु शिवं सङ्गीतलीलोत्सवम् मांगल्य है त्रिनेत्र है सर्वांग जो श्रृंगार है सत्यम शिवम सुंदरम शिव ही है नमामि नमामि ईश आराध्य पूजितम् नमामि नमामि शिव चरणों में वंदनम् रुद्रगणनाथ शंकरं पार्वतीनाथ तु शिवम् संगीत साहित्य आनंद अद्भुत है तनधिर नधिर न तनधे रागं तालं नाट्य नटराजं सुन्दरम् नादं वेद काव्यं नटराजं सुन्दरम् रागं तालं नाट्य नटराजं सुन्दरम् नादवेद काव्यं नटराजं सुन्दरम्
Such a vibrant display of unity and grace. I now proudly present Ananya Mathur of Class 4E with her soulful solo, Haste Haste Sajayenge Raste. Her melodic voice and expressive style promise to touch every heart. Please welcome her warmly.
हंसते हंसते कट जाए रस्ते जिंदगी यूं ही खुशी मिले या गम बदलेंगे ना हम, दुनिया चाहे बदलती रहे। माना जाने वाले लौट कब आते हैं, माना जाने वाले लौट कब आते हैं। डूब के सूरज तारे फिर से निकल आते हैं। प्यार अगर सच्चा है बिछड़े मिल जाते हैं। हंसते हंसते कट जाए रस्ते, जिंदगी यूं ही चलती रहे। खुशी मिले या गम बदलेंगे ना हम, दुनिया चाहे बदलती रहे। तोड़े जाने पर भी रसा करते हैं। तपत सहनाओं में झरने मिला करते हैं। तूफाने पर भी दीप जला करते हैं। हंसते हंसते कट जाए रस्ते, जिंदगी यूं ही चलती रहे। खुशी मिले या गम बदलेंगे ना हम, दुनिया चाहे बदलती रहे। हंसते हंसते कट जाए रस्ते, जिंदगी यूं ही चलती रहे। खुशी मिले या गम बदलेंगे ना हम, दुनिया चाहे बदलती रहे। धन्यवाद।
Water touching and melodious voice. We now present a stirring instrumental Mera Mulk Mera Desh, performed by a talented young musician with patriotic fervor and rhythmic grandeur. So please welcome Naveen Verma of 9D, Shivai Gupta of 5C on the drums and octopad. Next we have Jiten Kesalwani of 7E, Adunik Nigam of 7A, Agray Jindal of class 4C, Prashant Gupta of 5E, Priyansh Maurya of 6D on the conga. We also have Nikhil Singh of 7E and Vashish Shukla of 5C on the bongo. And on the guitar we have Abhyuday Malhotra of 4D, Priyansh Singh of 3C, Tejasvi Tripathi of 7D, and Shrey Dubey of class 9A. Such a proud homage to our motherland. I now invite Chitranga Maheshwar of class 3D for her elegant solo dance on Shubharam. With poise and rhythmic finish, she brings auspicious energy to the stage. Please welcome her with a loud round of cheers.
रंगी परोड़ आवी खुशियों संगे लावी हर खाए हयू हाय हाय आशानी किरणों बिखराए उमंग भी छलकाए मन हड़वे थी गुनगुनाए हाय 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 हाय
हे शुभारंभ हो शुभारंभ मंगल बेला आई, सपनों की डहरी पे दिल की बाजी रे शहनाई शहनाई शहनाई। ख्वाबों के बीज कच्ची जमीन पे हमको बोना है, आशा के मोती सांसों की माला हमें पिरोना है, अपना बोझ मिल के साथ ही हमको ढोना है। शहनाई शहनाई शहनाई।
रास रचिलो साज सजिलो शुभ घड़ी छे आवी, आछा आछा टमटमाता शमणाओ जे लावी ओ लावी
हो लावी।
रंगी परोड़ आवी, खुशियों सबके लावी, हर खाए हय्यू हाय हाय। रंगी परोड़ आवी, खुशियों संगे लावी, हर खाए हय्यू हाय 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 हाय।
हाँ मजा है जिंदगी, नशा है जिंदगी, धीरे धीरे चढ़ेगी। हाँ दुआ दे जिंदगी, बता दे जिंदगी, बात अपनी बनेगी। हाँ ख्वाबों के बीज कच्ची जमीन पे हमको बोना है, आशा के मोती सांसों की माला हमें पिरोना है, अपना बोझ मिल के साथ ही हमको ढोना है। शहनाई शहनाई शहनाई। रंग लो मरना। ए भाई भाई हे शुभारंभ हो शुभारंभ मंगल बेला आई, सपनों की डहरी पे दिल की बाजी रे शहनाई शहनाई।
रचिलो साज सजिलो शुभ घड़ी छे आवी, आछा आछा टमटमाता शमणाओ जे लावी ओ लावी
ए भाला।
Such an auspicious display of grace and rhythm. Now, welcoming Dehan Mishra from class 6E, who shall take the stage with his powerful solo, Ruk Jana Nahi. With determination and melody, his voice carries a timeless call to resilience and hope. A strong song of courage. Well done, Rehan. Our young musicians now present a heartfelt instrumental Sandese Aate Hain, weaving emotions through gentle melodies and graceful notes. Kindly welcome this touching performance with a round of cheers. Christian melody. I now welcome Samrit Saini from class 1B with his cheerful solo, Jeena Yahan Marna Yahan. His young voice brings vibrant joy and spirit to this lively classroom. Please extend a warm welcome. Such joyful energy and melody. Well done, Samrit. Now we hold a soulful solo dance on Adhuram Madhuram Vadanam Madhuram by Veditya Rawat of class 3A. Through fluid movements and divine grace, our young devotee offers a heartfelt plea to the eternal.
Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
मधुरं वदनं मधुरं नयनं मधुरं हसितं मधुरं हृदयं मधुरं गमनं मधुरं मधुराधिपतिरखिलं मधुरम् वचनं मधुरं चरितं मधुरं वसनं मधुरं फलितं मधुरं चलितं मधुरं भ्रमितं मधुरं मधुराधिपतिरखिलं मधुरं वेणुर्मधुरं
exquisite dance performance. Next, I present a melodious solo song, Mere Mehboob by Anaya Mishra of Class 5A. With tender voice and heartfelt emotion, she surely will enchant us with this romantic melody.
मेरे महबूब तुझे मेरी मोहब्बत की कसम मेरे महबूब तुझे मेरी मोहब्बत की कसम फिर मुझे नरगिस आँखों का सहारा दे मेरा खोया हुआ रंगीन नज़ारा दे मेरे महबूब तुझे मेरी मोहब्बत की कसम मेरे ख्वाब की ताबीर मेरी जाने गज़ल ज़िंदगी में तुझे याद किए जाती है रात दिन मुझको सताता है तसव्वुर तेरा दिल की धड़कन तुझे आवाज़ दिए जाती है हाँ मुझे अपनी तरह सहारा दे मेरा खोया हुआ रंगीन नज़ारा दे मेरे महबूब तुझे मेरी मोहब्बत की कसम मेरे धन्यवाद
Brilliantly sung Anaya, this was truly a melody of pure affection.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm sure everybody is highly appreciative of all the creativity, the scientific aptitude that has been shown by the students today. So a big hand for all the students who are standing there so enthusiastically with such high spirits to showcase their scientific aptitude, and the children who are inside the sports complex with all their art and craft. And here we have these performing artists, the talented students of the school who have been trained throughout the session, and today we have a display of all that they have been trained in. And the management, as usual, is very highly appreciative of all the talents on display today. So, as a gift from the management side, we have today a cash prize of ₹50,000 for all the students standing there with their science models, their art and craft articles, and all these children who are performing here, entertaining you here today. And a special appreciation for Samriddhi. Sir has gifted her a cash prize of ₹2,100 for her exceptional singing talent, and $2,100 for the artist who's made a beautiful portrait of our president, Sir Suren Dhawanji. A big hand for the artist who's made such a beautiful sketch of our Sir Dhawan. So thank you so much, dear parents, for your kind presence, because your encouragement really means a lot to us, right? Ambika ma'am announced in the morning that what we really aim for our students is overall growth and development, their holistic development, which is very, very important in building up their confidence for life. The students who have not been doing so well academically have come forward today wonderfully to showcase some or the other talent. So we are very highly appreciative of these students, and I'm sure that these students are going to find a beautiful space for themselves when they grow up. So a request to all the parents to encourage their talents and to help them in every way possible so that they are able to flourish and progress in life. Thank you everyone, thank you teachers for the beautiful support that you all have given to these students. Thanks a lot to everyone.
We have Shravya Dixit of class 8D with a moving solo song, Jo Hum Bhale Bure So Tere. With deep emotion and timeless wisdom, she brings this philosophical melody to life.
What a timeless melody. Well done, Shravya.
Now, let us witness the timeless grace of classical dance by students of class 4 and 5. With precise movements and cultural heritage, our young artists bring tradition alive on stage. So please welcome Hazel Khatri and Vanya Dixit of class 5C and Kashvi Raj of class 4D with a beautiful performance.
Digga da digga digga tay, digga da digga digga tay, digga da digga digga tay. Digga da digga digga tay, digga da digga digga tay, digga da digga digga tay. Digga da digga digga tay, digga da digga digga tay, digga da digga digga ta. Da da din din da da din din da, din din da da din da da din din da da din tin ta din din da da din da da din din da da din tin ta din din da da din da da din din da da din tin ta din din da da din da da din din da da din tin ta कृष्ण सखा मिल गए ग्वालन घर हिरत फिरत घर देख लियो तब ग्वाल के कांधे चढ़ माखन उतार लियो और खाए लियो दध की मटकी झटकी पटकी और दूध को पेय बिखेर दियो पकड़ लियो मैया ने जब तब ग्वाल बाल सब भाग गए दधी खाए गए देख नारायण ताली बजावे नाचन लागे तिगदा दिग दिग तिगदा दिग दिग थे तिगदा दिग दिग तिगदा दिग दिग थे तिगदा दिग दिग तिगदा दिग दिग दा दिंदा दिन दिंदा तिन तिन ता दिन 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 दिंदा तत थे तिगदा दिग दिग थे ता थे तिगदा दिग दिग एक तिगदा दिग दिग दो तिगदा दिग दिग तीन तिगदा दिग दिग चार तिगदा दिग दिग पाँच तिगदा दिग दिग छः तिगदा दिग दिग सात तिगदा दिग दिग आठ तिगदा दिग दिग नौ तिगदा दिग दिग 10 तिगदा दिग दिग धा दिन दिन दा रा दिन दिन ता दिन दिन दा धा दिन दा रा दिन दिन दा रा दिन दिन ता दिन दिन दा धा दिन दा रा दिन दिन दा रा दिन दिन ता दिन दिन दा रा दिन दा रा दिन दिन दा रा दिन दिन ता त्राम थे तत तत त्राम थे तिगदा दिग दिग थे तिगदा दिग दिग थे तिगदा दिग दिग थे तिगदा दिग दिग थे त्राम थे तत तत त्राम थे तिगदा दिग दिग थे तिगदा दिग दिग थे तिगदा दिग दिग थे तिगदा दिग दिग थे त्राम थे तत तत त्राम थे तिगदा दिग दिग थे तिगदा दिग दिग थे तिगदा दिग दिग थे तिगदा दिग दिग धा दा दिन दिन दा रा दिन दिन ता दिन दिन दा धा दिन दा रा दिन दिन दा रा दिन दिन ता दिन दिन दा धा दिन दा रा दिन दिन दा रा दिन दिन ता दिन दिन दा धा दिन दा रा दिन दिन दा रा दिन दिन ता खेलत खेलत गेंद गिरी जमुना में ग्वाल बाल संग विकल भय बनवारी तब ही फूल पड़े प्रभु काली देह में देखत ही रह गए सब नर नारी झटपट झटपट पट झट 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 नाथ ही दियो देह कालिया शीश चरण धर नाचत नटवर कृष्ण कन्हैया तिगदा दिग दिग थे तिगदा दिग दिग थे नाचत नटवर कृष्ण कन्हैया तिगदा दिग दिग थे तिगदा दिग दिग थे नाचत नटवर कृष्ण कन्हैया तिगदा दिग दिग थे तिगदा दिग दिग धा दा दिन दिन दा रा दिन दिन ता दिन दिन दा धा दिन दा रा दिन दिन दा रा दिन दिन ता दिन दिन दा धा दिन दा रा दिन दिन दा रा दिन दिन ता दिन दिन दा धा दिन दा रा दिन दिन दा रा दिन दिन ता तिगदा दिग दिग थे तिगदा दिग दिग थे तिगदा दिग दिग थे ता धा तिगदा दिग दिग थे तिगदा दिग दिग थे तिगदा दिग दिग थे ता धा तिगदा दिग दिग थे तिगदा दिग दिग थे तिगदा दिग दिग थे ता धा
Such a captivating presentation. Coming up next, we have a lovely solo, Ab Kaise Chhoote Naam Ratlaat by Avni Tripathi from class 8A. Her voice captures the magic of a tender longing and melody. Let us welcome her with a warm round of applause.
गाने से बजे एक इंस्ट्रूमेंट का और बस
अब कैसे
Sung so sweetly, Avni, that was indeed soul-touching. Now let us wrap up by lovely instrumental of Mere Desh Ki Dharti. Our talented young musicians of classes 3 to 7 and class 9 are ready to fill the air with patriotic magic. Give them a huge welcome.
Industry. Start.
I extend my sincere gratitude to the respected members of the management committee for your constant encouragement and unwavering support, which strengthened every stage of this exhibition. I also convey my heartfelt appreciation to the dedicated teachers of music, art, science and social science departments whose tireless efforts, thoughtful planning and creativity over several weeks brought this exhibition to life. Above all, I express my deepest thanks to our respected assistant ma'am for her visionary leadership, motivation and practice guidance to inspire us to strive for excellence in all our endeavors. Once again, I would like to thank everybody for joining us today. So, until we meet again, goodbye and jai hind.